I guess in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install typescript on Windows 11 operating system. So let's open the command prompt, and now first we are going to use cs command, and thereafter let's check the npm version. So npm that install 10.93. So this version that install. So with the help of this npm, I'm going to install the typescript. So write there npm install -g, that's for global. Write there typescript. npm install -g typescript. Press enter. So here this changes one package in 5 seconds. Thereafter, let's write there tsc --version. For TypeScript, you need to give there tsc. So this version that install. If you write tsc, so this working, this all you can get there. Let's use the clear command or cls. Thereafter, I'm going to add two number using TypeScript. So this is the code. Let's copy and click on this plus. Control S to save, saving on the desktop. Here, give add.ts, add.ts, and thereafter the file is in desktop. This file. The next is let's change the location cd desktop, and now let's write there tsc add.ts. So this compiles successfully. Now JS file that's created there. To run this file, write there node add.ts. Sorry, not ts. Okay, you can also write there add.ts. Then you can get there 30. So 30 that's displaying. So this is JS file, or you can get there JS. So 13 that's displaying. So this is how we can install TypeScript on this Windows machine. Thereafter, run the code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.